In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is actually happening in Dubai, right? There's a lot of things happening on the news, a lot of people talking about missiles and all that sort of stuff in Dubai. And I made a previous video about this as well, actually, when things were a little bit more heated. Obviously, the war's still going on and there's a lot of things happening behind the scenes, but there's a lot of talk about Dubai being unsafe. There's a lot of talk about, people living here and all that kind of stuff, right? But to be honest, look, guys, I'm currently outside and you can see from the background and whatnot, right? I'm currently outside and everything's amazing, right? I love being in Dubai. And to be honest, I would argue, considering what's happening right now in the war, there is no safer place to be than in Dubai, right? Because look, the things that are happening in the UK, there's a lot of things happening across the West in general, where people are getting stabbed, people are getting flipping shot, robbed, all of that kind of stuff. And it's funny that these are the people that want to talk about Dubai being unsafe, when literally it is the safest place to be right now. Considering there's a war, considering there's missiles, all that kind of stuff, it is the safest place to be. And you know what? I'll give you guys a little story, right? We went to a restaurant to eat just a couple of days ago when we actually got the alerts. And while we were eating, obviously the phone started going off. When you get the alerts on your phone, it was just going off, X, Y, and Z. Everyone was normal. Everyone was calm, right? It just felt like, okay, cool, just a notification was going off on people's phones at the same time. That's all it felt like. There was no panic, no one stressed out. Everyone was just like, okay, cool, yeah, whatever, back to eating. And it was actually quite funny because I was actually having dinner with my parents, right? And I was even showing them, because obviously they've seen things on the news, they've seen things on the media, so they were initially scared when obviously all these things were happening. And I was saying to my mum, look, can you see like how normal it is, how calm it is? Because we know Dubai is going to protect us. We trust in the leadership in Dubai. We trust in the people dealing with this, right? That everything is going to be fine. Yet there's so much talk all online about Dubai being unsafe and Dubai is this and Dubai is that. And it's just like, it's absolutely a joke, right? I am literally here right now in Creek Harbour, right? Not many people are about because it is summer. It is very, very hot, right? Even me filming this video is extremely difficult, but I want to kind of get this video out there. It is the safest place to be. There is literally no danger that happens here. In fact, I have become very accustomed to Dubai life to the point now where if I ever go to the UK or, go anywhere else, I'm going to act like Dubai, right? Because it's so safe here. Like, for example, you can leave your phone on a table, nothing's going to happen. You can leave your bag on a table, nothing's going to happen. No one's going to take it, no one's going to steal it. This isn't something that happens here, right? It's very safe to be in Dubai. It's very easy to live a life here. It's very comfortable. You can get accustomed to life here very, very quickly. The issue with Dubai, right, that no one really talks about is that once you live here, you literally cannot live anywhere else. Now, obviously, I moved here over 2 years ago, right? So I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I used to work for Argos World Duty Free Sky before I decided to take a big risk, right? And I quit my job. I packed my bags to move to Dubai because I wanted to make money online and I wanted to change my life. So that's what I did, right? Packed my bags, moved to Dubai. And now it's been over 2 years now. I make well over 6 figures a year. Life is comfortable. And I live here in the greatest city in the world. And I want to kind of talk to you guys about how safe it is to be here in Dubai, especially if you're an entrepreneur, especially if you're making money online, especially if, you want to get into making money online, right? Because I know a lot of people want to move to Dubai, but they can't because of their 9-to-5 job and all that kind of stuff. But look, if you want to move to Dubai, the best way to move to Dubai is by starting an online business, right? This was one thing that I was trying so hard with, which was trying to move to Dubai, finding a way to move to Dubai. And initially I applied for jobs. Initially, first I applied for jobs in the UK, didn't work. So I came here, quit my job, tried to find a job here, didn't work. Then what I did was, you know what? I thought, let me just go full in on my online business. Because I was working in an online business a little bit at the time, but I wasn't making enough money. So I thought, let me just go full in on my online business. Guys, as soon as I went full in, as soon as I hired a mentor, my life completely changed, right? And obviously now, as I said, I make well over 6 figures a year. I have financial freedom. I live in the greatest city in the world. If I wanted to move from Dubai, I could do that as well, but I have literally no reason to, just because of how safe it is, how amazing it is. Even the scenery, I mean, you guys can see from behind me, right? Scenery is absolutely amazing. So there is literally no reason for me to leave Dubai because it is the best place to live in. But I love the fact that I've got the option. I love the fact that I can move if I want. If I want to go to another country, I can go to Qatar, I can go to Saudi. Wherever I want to go, I can do that, right? Because I have financial freedom. And for a lot of you guys, you want to move to Dubai and X, Y, and Z, and a lot of people I speak to, all they talk about is applying for jobs here. And I'm like, look, if I'm going to be honest, the easiest way for you to move here, genuinely the easiest way for you to move here is start an online business. Because look, if you think of it like this, right? If you start an online business, let's say if you're in the UK, for example, maybe in the US, you start an online business, you make enough money, you can quit your job. And when you quit your job, you then have financial freedom, right? So you can work where you want and when you want. So having the option to work where you want means that you can leave the country that you're currently in, whether it's UK, US, whatever, and just move to Dubai. And that literally is so much easier than relying on someone else to hire you. Like, I've had this myself. I applied for, guys, I got probably thousands of jobs when I came here, right? Every single one of them rejected me. Either I didn't get the interview, either they ignored me, or when I did get the interview, they chose someone else in the end. Because look, this is one of the hardest places in the world to get a job. And even put jobs talk aside, right? Because I don't believe in jobs in general, because I believe that, you know, you should be working for yourself. You shouldn't rely on another man. I believe you should be making your own money. I believe financial freedom. I believe in, you know, location freedom. I believe in working when you want, you know, all those kind of things. So definitely you should not be relying on someone else for a salary. Definitely you shouldn't work 40 hours a week for someone else making 3 grand, 4 grand, 5 grand a month. You should be looking to work for yourself and making 10K, 20K, 30K, upwards of 100K a month. And the way to do this is something I call the one skill consulting business model. Now, just before I continue, if you guys are interested in starting your own online business, right, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month and literally work with you and build this business from scratch, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. But what you guys want to do is start the one skill consulting business, right? Because the one skill consulting business is where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Guys, you can sell your skill for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000, right? Let's say you start selling for $5,000. You only need 2 clients a month to make 10 grand a month. For a lot of you guys, you only need 1 client to replace your 9-to-5 job. Do you know what I'm trying to say? It is so easy to make money online. And the problem is, people talk about making money online is very difficult, or, you know, you have to be special, all that kind of stuff. To be honest, no, anyone can do it. But my best advice is don't try and do it by yourself, right? Because yes, there's a lot of things to learn around it. So this is where you hire a mentor, because what's going to happen is a mentor is going to show you exactly how to start the business, how to position yourself, how to set up your skill, how to set up your offer, what to charge, right? So you can start making money. Guys, when I did not know how to do this business, when I first started this, right, it was very difficult because I did not know how to do it. So what did I do? I hired a mentor. When I hired a mentor, right, within my first month of starting the business properly and hiring a mentor, I made 10 grand. It just shows what is possible when you invest in yourself. And a lot of people don't like investing in themselves, and that's just because, look, people are arrogant. People think they can do it themselves. I always say to people, if you genuinely think you can do it yourself, you would have done it by now. So it's not the case that, you know, you can do it yourself. It's that you definitely need help, because you don't know what you don't know. You've never made 10 grand in a month before, or 20 grand in a month before. So how can you tell me you know what to do, or you have this arrogance that you can figure it out when you've never done it before? This is why you have to hire a mentor, hire someone that knows what they're talking about, learn from them and implement it, and you can start making money. Guys, look, if you want to live in Dubai, if you want to live in other places like Bali, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the best way to do it is by starting an online business, right? Because then you have location freedom. Look, I'm not saying Dubai is bulletproof. If anything was to happen here, I can always move. And that's the point of what I'm trying to say. But I'm telling you guys, nothing is happening in Dubai. Everything is amazing in Dubai. It is the best place to live. I genuinely see myself here, to be honest, for the rest of my life. Obviously, I've got the option to move at some point, but I don't believe that I would be leaving Dubai, to be honest, because everything is improving, everything is increasing. You know, obviously, they're building a lot of nice buildings, and, you know, you can come up to nice areas like Creek Harbour, which is where I'm at the moment. I don't really see myself leaving Dubai, but it's so amazing that I've got the option that I can leave Dubai whenever I want, leave for a few months and come back. Like, I know summer gets really hot, and obviously, I love summer myself. I know I'm sweating right now because it's really hot, but no, I love Dubai, and I'll always most likely be here, to be fair. But, you know, like, the news makes it out, like, people make it out, nothing's happening in Dubai. In fact, if something was happening in Dubai, I would probably be the first one to leave, right? Because my safety and my life is the most important thing. But as I said, if I haven't left and I have got location freedom and time freedom, why am I still here? Why? Because it's the greatest city in the world, best place to live. And I highly recommend, if you're looking to move to Dubai, especially during this conflict right now, I would recommend even more to move now, because it is the best place to be, and you will make even more money here and you'll completely elevate. Now, just a quick one, if you guys want to start your own online business called the One Skill Consulting Business Model, where I'll work with you directly on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want to know exactly how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.